what's up? Hope you're doing well and welcome to my channel. Not feeling like anything today. I wanted to wake up early but my alarm just, I don't know what happens to my phone. It's high time I should throw this phone away now. I'm not feeling like going to the gym. I should go to the gym early in the morning, that is 7:30ish, but god, your girl never wakes up that early. Actually, I used to wake up early, but something happens to me when I have to be productive. But अब मुझे जाना पड़ेगा because it's high time. It's 1:30 already and I have to go because my gym trainer leaves at 3 o'clock. So I have to go right now and I just don't want to. Anyway, today we had poha for breakfast. Sorry, मैं कह रही थी कि my house help Vidya Didi makes the best pulao. I call it pulao because it tastes more like pulao, but my dad feels like it tastes like biryani. So yeah, we have a conflict there again. I had that in the morning. I try to not have like microwaved food items subah. Can't help. Anyway, I don't feel like going to the gym today, but I've pushed myself. You gotta do what you gotta do. But I'm happy कि मैं at least gym के लिए निकल गई हूँ. Maybe आपको ऐसा लगे ना that you're not feeling enough motivated to go to the gym. Just walk, get your gym bag ready, have your pre-workout meal. The best thing you can do is wear your workout clothes. That way, your brain sort of prepares you for the gym thing and then leave from your house. Do less in case you don't feel like doing it at all, but do something. That's what I want to say. Hi guys, it's much later and I have my jhadu bal here. कभी मेरे को अंदर से आवाज आती है कि Pooja, please take care of your hair. Please take care of your hair. I've been facing a lot of hair fall lately, and of course that makes me anxious. It scares me like what? धक होती है मुझे क्योंकि मेरे बाल मेरे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा important है. I have a savior. I have managed to figure out what works for my hair, and I'm very excited to show that to you right now. A lot of you guys wanted to know what my hair care routine is. So for my hair care routine, I always like to oil my hair first thing. I feel like it's psychological. I put hair oil with an expectation कि मेरे बाल बढ़ेंगे and maybe yes, psychologically it works. Lately I've heard somewhere that hair oils do almost nothing. They don't actually stimulate hair growth, which I'm not too sure, but regardless I like to oil my scalp. But regardless I like to like oil my hair and all of that jazz.
Don't care man, पंखा on कर.
The second thing that I like to do is always comb my hair. Now this is a very important step. You always want to comb and detangle your hair and make sure कि आपके बालों में ज़्यादा knots वगैरह नहीं है. Preferably you should be using like a wooden comb उसके लिए. So it's like a white tooth. ऐसा ही बोलते हैं ना, so white tooth comb. Section your hair while you're detangling them. It makes it easier. Always be very gentle जब आप detangle करते हो क्योंकि वही part में सबसे ज़्यादा hair loss होता है. So for me at least. Okay, so once you're done with detangling your hair, इतने step में मेरे आज सारा बाल गिर चुके हैं. So jokes on me. Anyway, the next step that I like to do is apply hair mask. I don't have any bahar ka hair mask. Like I have Mamaearth ka ek hair mask, but it's already expired, so I can't use it. I like to mix honey and dahi together, and that works wonderful for my hair at least. I like to rub it against मेरा हाथ. Alright guys, ये मेरे बाल ऐसे दिख रहे हैं अभी हेयर मास्क लगाने के बाद. Looks so fun. Anyway, अभी मैं जाऊँगी फटाफट नहा के वापस आऊँगी. I've let this be for like about 15 to 20 minutes हो चुके हैं and I don't wanna let it be for more time because I really wanna sleep. तो मैं फटाफट से इसको निकाल के सो जाऊँगी. बुशी. Okay, bye. Hi guys. Hi. I am coming here few days later. इसके बीच में काफ़ी कुछ हुआ जो मैं bits and parts थोड़ा सा vlog किया है. Firstly, I went to Viviana, जिसकी clips आप अभी देखोगे. Hi guys! I am here with Ishita and I feel so good honestly. इतनी खुशी मिल रही है. True. For those of you who don't know, Ishita मेरी स्कूल की दोस्त है. हम बिछड़ चुके हैं क्योंकि दूसरी स्कूल भी चली गई है. Year after such a long time. Of course, sorry for my nails. Sorry. लेकिन अभी हम पैंटलून्स में जा रहे हैं. इस मैडम को कपड़े खरीदने हैं. So दिखा
देखो इसके नीचे व्हाइट टी शर्ट चाहिए ना,
ये
नहीं पहन
सकती है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
नहीं ये वाला नहीं पहन सकता है. वो नहीं, वो जंप सूट जैसा होता है.
तो ये ऐसे ही पहनते हैं लोग. हेलो, हम कम से कम 15 मिनट से घूमे मिंत्रा में एंड हमको कुछ पसंद नहीं आया. ओह सॉरी. तो जब मैं विवियाना से वापस आई मैंने रियलाइज किया कि मैंने काफ़ी कम शूट किया है कंपेयर टू वट एवर वी डिड. हम 4 घंटे वहाँ थे एंड हम कॉन्स्टेंटली बातें कर रहे थे किसी ना किसी चीज़ के बारे में. वी कैन नॉट कीप क्वाइट. क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था दैट आई वांट टू स्पेंड टाइम विद हर. आई वाज लाइक वी रेयरली मीट. वी मेट आफ्टर 2.5 years and I feel so happy that our bond remains just the same. These are the kind of friendships that I love, you know. I just cherish them forever because no matter, and we didn't talk, we don't communicate a lot chats या call में. I'm not the kind of person who will get well to you chats पे. मैं सीन ही नहीं करती हूँ chats 2-3 दिन तक, and then I feel guilty, but then I feel more guilty of telling sorry उनको. It's just like me, like please forgive me if I'm someone who is not read your chats अभी तक, because I just don't do well chats में. You can call me anytime, but calls पे भी I do well with some people, I don't do well with some people. So it's best if you meet me in person. That way we have a lot to talk about. So anyway, मैं विवियाना से आई and मैंने realize किया कि नवरात्रि के इतने दिन हो चुके हैं and I have not played गरबा. I missed गरबा so much. Like it is a part of me, you know. It's just a part of me. मेरे blood में है वो. फिर पता चला कि हमारे स्कूल में गरबा का celebration हो रहा है. Nothing could make me as happy. So it was my new school and I was all online. So I could not connect to people more and I knew no one, literally no one. So when I went there, people were quite welcoming, to be honest. लोग इतने welcoming थे. And insert pictures here. ये pictures देख के आपको लगेगा नहीं कि I went there for the first time and no one knew each other, but they were so welcoming कि हम एक साथ एक group ही बन गया हमारा. It was like one of the best experiences when it comes to Garba. Hi guys, again it's much days later. Right now I've come to tell you about my COVID story / my COVID experience. The last video that you saw, it was the first time I vlogged. So if you haven't checked it out, please go check it out. I wanted to keep it as a memory. Not that I like it so much, but it's not too bad also, so I kept it. So हम जब महाबलेश्वर से वापस आए, actually हम जब महाबलेश्वर में ही थे, तभी रात को one of the nights, I don't exactly remember कौन सी रात को, लेकिन एक रात को चाचू को बुखार जैसा लग रहा था, like सर्दी खांसी हो गई थी. But he was fine when we came back. तो हम जब वापस आए, he was fine. Like when we were coming back, I was not doing good. Actually, I'm very car sick. I cannot do long car rides. Like road trips are not my thing anymore. Very nauseating. मेरा सर चकराता है and उल्टी जैसा होता है, बट उल्टी नहीं होती है. I thought कि हाँ मैं कार सिक फील कर रही हूँ and अच्छा नहीं फील हो रहा है, तो इसके लिए ऐसा सब हो रहा था. प्लस ट्रिप की थकावट होगी. That's what I had in mind. I was having this very terrible kind of headache. What is happening to me? मेरा सर घूम रहा है. Thoughts are just running in my mind. They're not having any place. You know, it's just flowing. मेरा गला दुख रहा था. मेरे को सर्दी हो गया था. So I came home and I slept. But वो रात को जो मेरा सर दुखा ना, it was just so terrible, so terrible. I could not sleep the entire night. It continued for like 3 days and then we decided to go to the doctor because by now we were sure that it's not like normal fever. But again, हम लोग ने थोड़ा सा भी expect नहीं किया था कि ये COVID हो सकता है. We were still in the same thought process that it is fever or maybe a little major kind of a fever. So we went to the doctor. The doctor just did the normal random checkup and he gave me some medicines. After some time, like when we were about to leave, तभी doctor said might as well wanna take a COVID test just for safety reasons. He told that it does not look like COVID, but you just might wanna take for safety reasons. And we were like, नहीं हमें नहीं लेना है, COVID जैसा तो कुछ लग नहीं रहा है. Because I had not lost my taste as of then. जब मैं जा रही थी डॉक्टर के पास, सुबह मुझे टेस्ट आना बंद हो गया. I thought कि मैं एकदम सुबह उठ के जल्दी खा रही हूँ. That might be the reason that was working in my mind. I didn't tell it to my parents that I have lost my taste or anything. We were like almost convinced that we don't want to take a COVID test. But my dad, being my dad, he said कि COVID test ले ही लेते हैं. And I was shit scared of COVID test because it was just very scary. So I said no, हमें नहीं लेना है COVID test. This is nothing like COVID. I was like no. But then my dad is my dad. So we finally went and we took the COVID test. It was just like a 15-second thing for me. Slight tingling effect, but that's. So we came back expecting a negative report for sure. Of course, we were quarantined. We all were quarantined, but we were all like, chill. But when the reports came in, the reports came actually like after 24 hours. Yeah, they came after 24 hours via my mail. When I checked my mail, I was like, what? How the heck is it positive? I was not expecting. So I checked again. I mailed them back that, are you sure these are the reports? Like these are the final reports. They said yes, these are the final reports. First thing that I did is immediately called my chachu because मेरी दादी भी ट्रिप में आई थी. अगर आपने वीडियो नहीं देखा तो देख लो. My daddy used to be with my dadu. So my dadu is an asthma patient and I was shit scared. They were already quarantining, but I told them to be very away, as away from my dadu dadi as possible. My dadu dadi are very dear to me. मतलब इतने प्यारे हैं वो. And उन्होंने अपना कोविड टेस्ट कराया. What was so strange? मेरे को अभी तो पता नहीं चल रहा है क्यों. जब से मैं बीमार हुई तब से मेरे साथ मम्मी इधर बैठती है. मतलब अभी को नेगेटिव आया. Like how? और पापा जो बहुत कम मेरे रूम में भी बहुत कम आते थे, उनको पॉजिटिव आया. मेरा भाई तो मेरा भाई तो आता ही नहीं था ज़्यादा मेरे पास, उसको भी पॉजिटिव आया, तन्नू को भी पॉजिटिव आया, मतलब जो मेरे सबसे करीब था उसको नेगेटिव आ गया। फिर वहाँ पे भी चाचू ने सबसे पहले सिम्टम्स दिखाए थे, बट चाचू को नेगेटिव आया, चाची को भी नेगेटिव आया, ऑल्दो चाची को फीवर था बट चाची को नेगेटिव आया। क्रिशा जिसको कोई सिम्टम्स नहीं थे उसको पॉजिटिव आया, दादू दादी थैंक गॉड उनको नेगेटिव आया। सो आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट। फॉर अस कोविड वाज नॉट एज बैड एज it was getting out there. हमें कोविड हुआ था ना, that was the time second wave hit hard. Everyone was needing beds, constant death हो रहे थे and हम लोग बस यही सुन रहे थे कि आज इनको बेड की जरूरत पड़ गई, आज इनकी डेथ हो गई। हम we were all scared. वो super expensive था, but thankfully by God's grace none of us needed beds, none of us had severe issues with COVID. You need to take care because you never know what COVID is. It's definitely not like your normal usual fever. It's more than that. It's actually a little more serious. The side effects of it stay for a very long time. It's not like something you recover in just 14 days. It will take like months and months for you to recover your body, your skin, your hair, everything will, just go like a downside of it. All my wishes and prayers with you and your family. I hope you all are doing well. Let me know how you are doing. Let me know how this video was, because that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was quite scattered and all of it, but regardless, let me know how do you like this video. And that brings us to the end of the video. So thank you so much for watching. Meet you guys in my next one.